Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm MSA if you're new. So it is a fall or autumn if you're from the UK. And at this time of year, everybody starts wearing a lot of browns, reds, auburn, dark orange shades in makeup. And I love them, don't get me wrong, but I'm somebody that just loves color and I think it should be worn and celebrated all year round. So this is my take of a fall makeup look. This is MSA style. So I've gone in with purple, oranges, blues, and yeah, I love it. It's fun. So keep watching to learn how to create this look. You know what to do. I'll throw all the things somewhere up here and share this video with somebody else who want to add more people to this family. All right, let's get started. So I've already prepped my upper eyelids with some concealer, which I set with translucent powder, and I'm using a very bright orange shade, and I'm applying it with a MAC 224 brush into the transition area, which is just above the crease of my eye. And I forgot to put some powder down on my face, so I'm just using translucent powder, putting it underneath my eyes, and it just creates a really nice, well, shield. So it stops any eyeshadow from falling onto my face and ruining my foundation. I love the faces I make when I do this. So I'm just intensifying the color a little bit more. And then I used a light peach shade and a MAC 217 brush to blend out the upper edge of that orange shade. Good to take your time with that step. Anyways, onto the main eyelid. I'm using a brush by Real Techniques to apply this cream shadow onto my main eyelid. You can use your finger if you want. The thing to remember with this shadow is that you need to work very quickly because it sets quickly, and when it sets, it does not budge. So I used the brush itself to blend it out a little bit, just the top edge. And then before it fully set, I went in with a purple shimmer shade from the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette. And it's another MAC 217 brush, I believe. And I used that just to blend the top edge of that cream shadow. I really liked how it made the look a lot more vibrant. I lost a bit of that orange color, so I went back in with my MAC 224 just to build it up again. And often when you blend colors, you can lose the intensity. So I just kept going back and forth with the two colors, or the three colors really, until I built them up to where I wanted them to go. Now I'm using a darker purple shade on the outer third of my eye, and I'm just applying it in a V shape with a fluffy Morphe blending brush. And it just adds some extra dimension to my eyes. And going back in with a MAC 224 brush just to blend everything together and to ensure that there are no harsh lines. And I added a little bit of black, and I applied this with a pointed E45 brush, and it just helps to control the position of this color because black is quite an intense shade, so you want to add this very, very slowly and then build up. So I just put that into the outer third and up into the crease, and then I went back in with my MAC 224 brush just to blend everything in together. So I'm just applying some liquid eyeliner. I created a wing. I think I create a wing almost every single day. I need to mix it up a little bit. And I'm just applying a pair of very dramatic false lashes. I will put the links down below. And I'm glad I went with these lashes because they complemented the look. And I'm just getting rid of the excess powder I put on my face. And to finish off my lower lashes, I'm applying that same purple shade with the fluffy Morphe brush just onto my lower eyelids. And then with a smaller brush, I applied that same orange shade that I used in my transition area, and it just ties in the look with the rest of the eye. And I'm accentuating my inner tear duct with the same liquid eyeliner, and I find that this just elongates my eyes. And adding a pop of color, it's a turquoise shade, and this is a Real Techniques Fine Detailer brush just onto the lower portion of my inner tear duct. I wanted this color to stand out a little bit more, so I sprayed it with some fixing spray. And you can also use eye drops apparently, or a little bit of water, and it just makes eyeshadow stand out that little bit more. So I'm just putting some mascara onto my lower lashes. I also put some onto my upper lashes to blend them in with the falsies. Oh, this new highlighter I bought, guys, from Bare Minerals, really like it. So I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply it onto the high points of my face, and it really blends in very easily with my skin. So for blush, I'm mixing 2 orange shades from the same palette, and it just ties in the whole look with my eye makeup. And then for lips, I'm using my favorite lip gloss by NYX. This is in the shade Ginger Snap. It's quite close to my natural lip color, but it adds a hint of color, but it's just not too much. So I really like it, especially when I've done a very dramatic eye. It's just the perfect nude lip gloss. And you can tell I am feeling myself at this stage. And that's the look completed, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please let me know if there's any other kinds of makeup looks you would like me to create. I probably will sit down and create some more traditional fall autumn makeup looks in the next few weeks. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, hope you guys have an awesome day. See you later.